Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and I'm sorry I'm not doing face cam. It won't work. Sorry I am not doing face cam. It just is not working. I'm playing Temple Run Speed Run. My face cam will just not work, so I have to just not do face cam. No, I died. Anyways. Whoa. No, I died again. Oh my god. They're leaving some coins behind, so okay, be careful. Yes. Okay. Okay. So, oh my gosh, I have 15 coins. Okay. So, huh, okay. So I'm just playing this game. That person died. Now I'm ahead. Oh my gosh, I almost fell off. Did you see that? No, I died. I died. Okay, let's start and get the checkpoint. Let's hope I can get to the checkpoint. I hope I can get to the checkpoint. Hmm. So I am actually playing right now. I'm not doing a voiceover. I actually have a new mic. I found my other one, but I like this one better. A lot better. Please ignore the background if you can hear it. Oh, just going, going, going. I can. Why did I just die? I didn't even touch anything. Welcome to Temple Run 2. Hmm. Okay. Okay. So, why are you guys just? It's already perfect the way it is. So why are you guys remaking the game? Why did I die? Like, why do I keep on dying? I'm not even doing anything. Okay, try again. Just keep on trying, and I know I'll get it. Oh, I have 71 coins. Awesome. Checkpoint 3 is the last one, then finish! Sorry if that was really loud. So yeah, guys, I am not able to do face cam anymore because I'm like my literally my webcam will not work. So as of now, you will only hear my voice. Okay. So luckily, I finally didn't die right there. How did I not die? I literally touched it. How did I not die? Like I literally touched it. Yes! Finally got over that one. Please ignore my father in the background, guys. And there's another person right there. Update, I'm thinking of completely remaking this game. You better not. It's already perfect the way it is. I see checkpoint 1. I see it. Don't fail me. Yes, come on. I can do this. Come on, checkpoint 1, checkpoint 1. Yes, finally. Huh. Okay, I finally made it. This is like giraffe person. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna make you grow some hair. I'm not making fun of them if they're actually bald in real life, because because oh, I got in front of them. Okay. So right now I'm almost finished. I can see checkpoint 2 over there. Ooh, red. Red. Oh yeah, like in the actual game, like the coins actually do change color. When you get far enough, the coins actually change color. So yeah, I see checkpoint 2 over there. So I'm gonna go the right way anyways. Yes! 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 I made it! Woo! I made it! So, I am literally crashing through this game. You guys see how good I'm doing? Ooh, oh my gosh, did you guys see that? I almost died. Oh my gosh. I hope you guys cannot hear anything that I'm hearing in the background. Even though I can, like, oh, blue. So, anyways, I'm playing on keyboard now. It's much more easier for me now on keyboard than it used to be on for me for phone. Ooh, checkpoint 3. I'm going through this game. I might finish this in no time. I literally might finish this in like 6 minutes. Hmm. Okay. Jump. Okay, I can see the finish right over there. I see finish. Woo! I'm almost there. Keep on doing it. Who planted a cactus over there? I just got that pun from Annoying Orange. Yeah, I'm about to finish this. Like, do you guys see how close I am? Yeah, we are crashing through this. Yes. Okay, come on. Yes. Yes, I finished. Woo! I finished. Woo! All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm Jack Powell, and I hope you had fun watching me play this Temple Run 2 game. Please leave a like, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!